Hey everyone, welcome back to my another video of color series nail art. So my today's color theme is orange and I'm going to do tribal nail art today. So without any delay, let's start the tutorial. So I have already applied base coat and after that I am applying 2 coats of orange nail polish, and this orange nail polish is from Picture Polish in shade Autumn. I will add different types of tribal pattern on my index and middle finger nail using Beauty Big Bang XL009 stamping plate with gold and black stamping polish. I have applied 2 coats of this glitter polish on my pinky on top of orange polish. And I have applied this black hollow glitter on my ring finger nail, and on top of it I have added one rhombus shaped stud. And finally I am finishing my mani with a glossy top coat and adding a stud at the center point of my mani. And here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed my video. Before you leave my channel, make sure to subscribe it and share my video with your friends. See you in my next video. Stay safe.